Hey friends, the month of June is upon us, and so is the start of the Atlantic hurricane season. Now, hurricanes can disrupt lives and devastate property, but for 45 years, the Goodwin Company has always stood by our clients and helped with every step of restoration. Come along with me this month as we take a look at some projects that were significantly damaged by hurricanes and seen through full restoration. The Lakeview Condominiums in historic St. Augustine, Florida, date back to the late 1800s. The Lakeview building was constructed between 1885 and 1893 by the firm of McGuire and McDonald, famously known for constructing the Ponce De Leon Hotel. Both structures were built by Standard Oil tycoon Henry Flagler, the Ponce as a luxury hotel, and the Lakeview building as the male staff quarters for the hotel. Originally, the Lakeview building was referred to as the Ponce De Leon Barracks. Fast forward to 2004, when the building was purchased and developed into luxury condominiums. Lakeview sits on the edge of Lake Maria Sanchez in a prime area of town just blocks off the heart of the old city. October 2016 brought powerful Hurricane Matthew to the area, which flooded the historic district of America's oldest city as it passed by at high tide. Sadly, the Lakeview building took on 5 inches of water from Lake Sanchez. Goodwin worked closely with the Owners Association to replace the original heart pine flooring. Most units were restored using river-recovered heart pine character or antique longleaf pine. Much of the replacement heart pine was either 2.5 inches or 3.25 inches. Well, as fate would have it, 2017 saw Hurricane Irma blow through most of the entire peninsula of Florida, and once again the Lakeview building had an unwanted visit by Lake Maria Sanchez. Goodwin replaced the heart pine floor for a second time. The 800 to 1,000 square foot units are now light, airy living spaces with wonderful architectural transoms over the doors and arched passageways. Goodwin is always most pleased when we can be a part of historic restorations.